Welcome to the kitchen. I'm Chef Victoria Love, and today we're going to make matcha chia seed pudding. I have now found a new love for chia seed pudding, and I love it with coconut milk, but you could use almond milk instead if you prefer. And here is our matcha green powder. This is going to be so exciting and wonderful to make. We're going to top it with a little bit of coconut and some pomegranate and make it a little bit sweet with some light brown sugar. So then I'm going to get everything mise en place, and I'll show you how to make it. And it is super, super easy.
Hello friends, I appreciate you being here. Please watch the video to the end so you can see the whole recipe and help me out. Would you please click like and subscribe so I can keep bringing you more recipes.
Here are 5 tablespoons of chia seeds, and to that we're going to add 1 cup of coconut milk. Let's pour that in. Couldn't be simpler. We're just going to mix that together. We're going to add 2 tablespoons of light brown sugar and use the whisk to break it up. Stir that together. Now we'll add our 1 teaspoon of matcha green tea powder, and this is going to become a beautiful color. There we go. Let's mix that up. And now that I have everything mixed together, I'm going to set the timer for 5 minutes because this gets lumpy. And after 5 minutes, I'm going to whisk it again, and that will help break up the lumps so we have a nice smooth pudding when it's done. It's been 5 minutes, so let's see. Oh yeah, you can see it's lumpy. So you want to whisk it again, just so that it'll be smooth. There's also some lumps of coconut milk in there, so make sure you gotta whisk that up. And then we're gonna cover it with some saran wrap and put it into the refrigerator and let it set up overnight. And this will be so delicious. Can't wait. Here we go, next morning, and look how thick it is. That is set up overnight. And look at that. It's so nice and thick. So now we're going to spoon this into I'm just using this little mason jar. You can put it in a bowl or whatever you'd like to use. I'm going to spoon this in and then cover it with a little bit of coconut and our pomegranate. There we go. That looks fantastic. I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of our coconut on top. And here we go, a few of our pomegranate seeds right on top. And doesn't that just look absolutely beautiful? Moment of truth, I'm going to take a bite. Let's see how thick it is. Okay, that's pretty thick. Look, beautiful.
Thank you so much for joining me in the kitchen. Leave me a comment and let me know how you like the recipe. For more recipe demonstrations, please click like and subscribe to Chef Victoria Love's YouTube channel and have fun in the kitchen. Thank you.